Okay, we're going to take a look at the best way to log into Zip Forms using the High Central MLS portal. First, we're going to go to this web address right here. I'll put it in the description below. And you're going to log in using your Honolulu Board of Realtors ID and password. If you're not sure what that is, you can call HBR. And once we log in here, it brings us to a portal, a desktop with multiple apps, and you can see Matrix for MLS, all these other things across here. And here is Zip Forms. We just click on Zip Forms and it will launch. If you have any problems when you click on this and it's not launching, then call the help desk at Zip Forms directly. I'll also put that information in the links below. They're very helpful. And here you are. And that is the best way to log into Zip Forms using the HBR portal. Hope that was helpful.